Hello everybody, back with a video here. I was supposed to have one up Friday and I ended up missing it. I got really busy and I didn't have none made ahead. So here we go again. We got a chainsaw here. It's Eager Beaver 14-inch. And these are kind of old, outdated saws. But what I wanted to show you, it don't matter if it's outdated or a new saw. On a chain, there's the rakers, which is the part that sticks up in between the two teeth that you file. And if those get up too high above the tooth that's on your saw, it'll just barely cut like fine dust. This here raker controls the size of the chip of the wood that you're getting when you're cutting. And I'll grab another chain here. But the raker is that part right there. And you have your tooth here and a tooth there. But if that raker gets sticking up higher than what the tooth is, it's not going to cut good no matter how sharp that teeth is right there. So you got to check these occasionally. You don't have to do it as much as you do sharpening them. But I would keep an eye on it if you start getting really fine dust or small chips. They make a little tool here, and I'll put a link where I get them from off eBay. And I actually have a store and I sell them on there also. But this one takes 25 thousandths off. All you do is lay it on your saw. You gotta have the chain on the bar, actually. Lay it on there, and if that tooth is sticking up above that, you just take a file and you go over it a few times and check, make sure it's down to where it should be, because it should be even with that top. And once you do that, move on to the next one and do the same thing. This here one's pretty good. It's not really sticking up much, but you do that, and I'll show you a little bit on this here one, a little better view maybe. If you got it where it's sticking up, something like that, you definitely need to take it down because it's not going to cut good at all. But if you hold this straight, that one's just barely sticking above it. So it would need knocked down a little bit, but not much. But that's a tip on saws when you're cutting. Not only do you need to sharpen your teeth on a regular basis, you need to keep an eye on that raker, because the raker controls, like I said, the size of the chip of wood that you're getting. So don't forget to comment, like my videos, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.